In this video, we are going to see how to record or explain the content from a recorded video in OBS. In the last video, we have seen how to explain the content in PPT. Now we are going to see how to explain the content from a video source in OBS. Okay. So for that, what I am going to do is I am going to enable the lecture scene. Under that lecture scene, I am going to add, under the source tab, I am going to add a media source. Okay, so click on that media source. Leave everything as it is, just click on OK button. Now browse. That browse clicking of that browse button will take you to the folder in which you have stored the video files. So I am going to select one of my video files, opening it, and click on the OK button. Now a video file is going on. Okay, if you click that start button in OBS, means hereafter whatever you are telling about the video content is going to record, and that recorded video is you are going to communicate to your students. Here the IC is not that much focused. I want to focus on this IC part. That means, in other words, I want to zoom it that IC. For that, what I am going to do is I am going to add another scene. That's why I am clicking this plus symbol. The default name is scene 2. I am changing it as lecture 2 and clicked that OK button. So under this lecture 2, no source is available. I am going to create one media source, the same media source which is playing in lecture scene. Okay, the same media source I am going to click in lecture 2C. So clicking this plus symbol under the source tab, clicking that media source, leave everything as it is, clicking that OK button. Once again I have clicked that browse button and the same video source is now clicked and opened. Finally click this OK button. The same video is now running in lecture 2 also. In lecture 1, same video is running. In lecture 2 scene also the same video is running. In lecture 2 scene, what I am going to do is I am readjusting the portion of that video and now dragging. So now you are seeing that IC is much focused than in this lecture scene. Sorry. In this lecture 1 scene, that IC is not that much focused, whereas in lecture 2 that same video is running but focus much on that IC tab. So by this way, if you want to focus a particular part of your video, means you need to create another scene and add another media source file, run the same video in the two scenes in one scene. Just focus the part of video which you want to elaborate more. Okay, so in this way you can focus or you can zoom any part of recorded video. As we all know that while recording it is possible to zoom in or zoom out a particular part or particular section, whereas this OBS will help us to zoom in or zoom out a particular portion from a recorded video. Okay, thank you. So before that, just click that stop button, stop recording button. Once again goes to that file portion, file folder or file tab, click this remix recording, click the second row, the 3 dot will appear, click that. The latest file will appear on top. enable it, open it, remix. Now recording remix message will appear. Click on the OK button, click on the close button. Now your recorded video is saved in MP4 format. Okay, thank you once again.